bring in all the components and manufacture chargers. We can bring in technology, we can sell it to people, but we want this entire EV revolution, which this particular seminar is all about, to be actually focusing on, working on a war footing. The way we worked in India, I mean, we have a live example of how UPI picked up in India, where people were saying, इंडिया के पास पढ़े लिखे लोग नहीं है, लोगों के पास मोबाइल फोन नहीं है, मोबाइल है तो स्कैन नहीं कर सकते हैं, स्कैन है तो गांव में सब्जी कैसे बेचेगा? I mean, look at the way UPI has behaved, and it's a pure play service industry. I am a firm believer that this should be considered as a service industry. We should be working in the same manner the way we work for UPI, and all the aspects, the private players or the government players, the policymakers, if we are really making a team and creating a kind of urgency, sense of urgency, the 8% EV penetration can become 18%. Look at how Nepal is growing. Now, neighboring country, they take everything from India, and the way they have 85% of their vehicles are registered as an EV. And therefore, I think that from manufacturer point of view and the service provider like charge point operator, we feel that we need to scale it up. We need to start thinking vertical down. There are a lot of high rises in all the metros. We don't have a solution for that. People, within the societies, they fight it out. There are, charging from your residences or overnight charging using the AC chargers is a solution which is already accepted by people. So 60-65% of our charging is happening through AC chargers, but that takes 8 hours. Or the overnight charging, you occupy space and all. We don't have a solution for load balancing. Societies would certainly need load balancing solutions. Society would need certain, mixed use land. You have a charging point and you should also have a cafe wherein you should be sponsoring coffee for stopping your vehicle and charging your vehicle out there. So there are a lot of such solutions. From supplier side, we have certain challenges which we are overcoming every day with passers-by. From manufacturing side, we promise to India that we would be the most preferred charge point operators and the charger manufacturers, provided we get certain attention from policymakers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very nice update. And IFEVA will definitely look for your support. We are doing 21,000 kilometer, and Avdesh ji and you and everybody, we will take help of you all, because you all are experts and you can guide us so that our route, we don't face any problem. So we will definitely connect you after the conference for this thing. And your uptime of 99.8% is phenomenal. It is unheard in industry. Something very good. And 41% repeat order means the product is excellent. That's why people are coming back to that. 80% make in India is another very good thing to know, because government is promoting PMP, the phase manufacturing program, where we are trying to do most of the parts in India. We want to reduce our dependence outside India. And if 80% they have already achieved and 90%, 95% is the next target, then it is excellent. I think we can see it. And definitely our neighboring countries like Nepal, you have covered, and even Bhutan, they are far ahead as far as environment is concerned, because they take care of this thing. There are a lot of tenders in those countries from Ministry of Tourism about the golf cart type of buses or small buses or vans and all that, because they don't want to create any pollution. So they are a small country, but their efforts are still very good. So we should learn from that aspect also. And about the load balancing, what you have covered, I think the bigger chargers are coming with the load balancer now. Only in the small thing there is an issue. So what they generally do, they have units of 40 kilowatt or something like that, and they connect in series to increase the voltage, and they have multiple guns in the public charger. So they have a load balancer also there. So nice, sir, nice update, and thanks for it. So now I come to Abhijit from JBM. So JBM buses we see all around Gurgaon and Delhi, NCR, so many of buses here and outside also. So sir, from your experience, we want to know about the journey of electric buses, what JBM is doing, and how you are doing about the charging infra, and how the bus service is being maintained, what is the uptime and etc. Throw some light on that.
Okay. So before coming on this point, I would like to share something, because this forum is for especially for the EV awareness, and for the 21,000 kilometers, you are going for the covering the pan India. So I'm just sharing this update regarding the last year's my buses was supposed to be inaugurated by the Honorable PM in Surat, and my plant is in you can say in Haryana. This is in Faridabad. So it's almost a 1380 kilometers from the Usme student to the my plant Usme. So my company is thinking that this is the innovation by the PM, and we are just driving the EV. And how can we send these buses on the Usme trailer on the diesel and petrol cars Usme? We have taken this initiative and we sent the entire buses, the 50 number of the fleet, from my plant to the Surat by the road, supported by the Usme all the prominent CPO's partner, and we have sent the entire buses through the Usme road Usme. And this all the buses gone in the by 3 and 4 days from the Surat, from my plant to Surat. Yeah.
Very good account.
Yeah.